The streets we walk every day, the forests we pass by, and the deep blue oceans. How does the nature surrounding us maintain its beautiful vitality? The secret lies within a vast and intricate web called the ecosystem. An ecosystem refers to a community that includes everything, living and breathing within a specific area. Plants boasting their green leaves, playful animals, and even microscopic organisms invisible to our eyes are all members of this ecosystem. However, an ecosystem is not made up of living things alone. The weather that stirs the wind, the ground beneath our feet, the warm sunlight, and non-living elements such as soil, climate, and the atmosphere are constantly interacting with these living beings. To understand this grand interaction, there is no need to travel all the way to the Amazon jungle. After a rainfall, imagine a small puddle in your backyard. It may look like nothing more than pooled, muddy water, but inside, it is like a bustling metropolis where countless lives thrive. From microorganisms visible only under a microscope to insects gliding across the water's surface and small, aquatic plants taking root below, countless creatures make it their home. They are not simply occupying the same space. To survive day by day, they rely strictly on the amount of water and sunlight, the gentle ripple of waves, the water temperature, atmospheric pressure, and even the unseen nutrients dissolved in the water. On the small stage of a puddle, they are performing a fierce yet beautiful symphony of life. In this marvelous orchestra of the ecosystem, every organism has its own vital role and occupation. Plants act as producers, absorbing warm sunlight to generate energy on their own. Animals become consumers, transferring energy by feeding on plants or other animals. And when a creature reaches the end of its life, microscopic organisms step in as decomposers, breaking it down and returning it to the soil as nutrients. This complex and mysterious interaction between life and the environment goes beyond mere survival. It becomes the very flow of energy that powers the earth. It also continuously cycles essential elements like carbon and nitrogen, serving as the solid foundation that sustains the planet we live on today. Yet this seemingly perfect balance is far more fragile than we might think. Living organisms and the environmental factors surrounding them are deeply interdependent. This means that if just one species disappears, or a single environmental factor changes, it can trigger a chain reaction affecting every other part of the ecosystem. What if temperatures rise sharply, changing the water temperature, or an unfamiliar, invasive species suddenly enters and disrupts the natural flow? It is just like the first piece of a carefully arranged domino set falling over. The natural balance shatters in an instant, potentially bringing catastrophic disaster and destruction to the entire ecosystem. Sadly, countless ecosystems across the globe face immense threats today. They are destroyed by natural disasters like uncontrollable wildfires, massive floods, storms, and volcanic eruptions, but above all, reckless human activities have disrupted the harmony of numerous ecosystems and biomes. In this vast home called Earth, humans are merely a part of the ecosystem. Will we be the destroyers who break this beautiful, perfect gear, or the protectors who safeguard this wondrous interaction? To this profound question posed by nature, the time has come for us to answer through our actions. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be back next time with another fascinating story. Have a wonderful day.